In this video, we're going to go over the stability ball rollout. So this is a great core workout, it's a great shoulder workout, definitely engages the lats, the abdominal muscles. It minimizes the use of the low back muscles and minimizes the use of the hip flexors. So, there's a lot of core exercises out there where our hip flexors kind of take over the role of what our core should be doing. So that's why I like this exercise. But again, it's a two-way purpose because, like I said, it does engage the lats. So it's really good for the shoulder, but the core and the lats are really known for supporting the lower back as well. So let's get into the setup. Always have something padding your knees. It's just nice to do for yourself. And what you're going to do is really lock in your starting position. So I'm in a plumb line straight position where my shoulders, my hips, and my knees are stacked in a line, or at least should be close to it. Lock it in by keeping your core tight, glutes lightly activated. Hands are going to start on the ball, maybe slightly out in front of you. And what you're going to do, press into the ball with your hands as you slowly allow yourself to incline forward until you're in a plank-like position. And then dig in your elbows, use your lats to get you back to the start. So couple your breathing with this. So breathe out on the way out. And breathe in on the way in. So this is really hard. If it feels awkward, especially the size of the ball you may have accessible to you, if it's a bit smaller, you may have to start with a slightly bent waist, and that's okay. You might feel more comfortable starting that way so your hands are in contact with the ball at the start position. Again, pushing in, and then just focus on straightening out the hips as you come into the modified plank position. Okay, make sure you don't feel this in your lower back, so keep your pelvis tucked and your core engaged. Lats are engaged by pushing your elbows into the ground and dragging the ball back towards the start position. So make sure this is slow and controlled. It's easy to rush through this, but you definitely should not be feeling this in your back. If you are, just modify the distance that you're rolling out and tighten the core a bit more, maybe rotate the pelvis back intentionally. Just kind of reset if you need to at the start position. So that's the stability ball rollout.